Hi, this is Brian Hong, and let's talk about PowerPoint 2019. So the beauty of this course is you can apply this regardless of the versions that you have. So whether it be 2013 or maybe PowerPoint, let's say Office 365, you can also use or apply the lessons in this course for this. Okay, so now that we have that out of the way, let's just go to using PowerPoint. So you have two ways. Either you have it pinned over here, for example, you could just go straight and click PowerPoint, or you could do a quick search and let's just type in PowerPoint to start it up. Okay, and then we have PowerPoint ready. Okay, so now that we're inside PowerPoint, so you can see on top over here, right, we have a couple of, let's say, templates over here. So we could just go for more teams, and the beauty of this one is it has a lot of ready to use templates for you, and you could just scroll down, and as well over here you could search for online templates. So let's just go for diagrams, for example. Okay, and it's just gonna show you a lot of pre-made templates for you to use right away. Okay, so we have plant growth over here, we have spirals, we have a lot in here. So you just go back and just select different categories in here.